Yo, what up? It's Visanity again from the Sysbot channel, my crypto mining channel. Back with another video. Look what I got. Another one. Another one. Today, I went crazy. I bought another GPU. This is my, what? 23rd GPU? 23rd. Yeah, 23rd I think. I'm not sure. Wow, but this one is... it's getting more and more expensive. But this is the one I always wanted. Check this out. This is the RTX 3060 Ti TUF Gaming OC Edition, 8 gig memory, GDDR6. I bought it used, pre-owned. Guess how much I paid for it? Crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Still under warranty. It's okay. The guy bought it like in 2019. But I've always wanted this GPU. If you guys already know, kind of familiar with crypto mining, this is one of the most efficient GPUs as well. 3070 is very efficient in terms of ROI, time to break even. This one as well, but I had to pay a lot of money because of the scalpers, because of the crazy crypto mining prices. Like, the gamers are benefiting a lot from this because the guy who sold me this GPU is a gamer. And guess how much he bought it for? I'll show you guys the receipt. He included the receipt so I can have the warranty. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it right now. ASUS, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. See, look, here's the receipt. Right? He bought it on where's the date? Here it is. Okay. For quite recent, actually. He bought it December 14th, 2020. You guys can see that was when like the crypto was like about to get crazy. It was already going up. And look how much he bought it for. $4,399. Guess how much I paid for it. So he paid $4,399 divided by 7.8. That's a roughly 563 USD. I had to freaking pay almost double. He listed it for 8,500. I always haggle. Every time I buy something, I always haggle. And most of the time, people will give you like $100 or $200 Hong Kong dollars off, which is like about 25 bucks off, but better than nothing, right? So I paid 8,300 for this pre-owned used GPU, but it's still fairly new actually, just from last year. Just 3 months ago he bought it. I had to pay 8,300, which is I paid $1,000, 1,064 bucks for this. Crazy. Isn't it crazy? And I was willing to pay for it. Yeah, something is wrong with me too. But it's hard to get. It's really expensive these days. RTX 3070s are going for like 1,100 USD. This one is already a little bit cheaper. But this performs pretty much same as RTX 3060. Give or take. It's a little bit less efficient in terms of power, but in terms of hash power, it's almost the same as 3070. Look at this. Triple fan. This thing is huge, by the way. It's very long. It's like a Big Mac. It's quite thick as well. It's like 2.7 inches thick, I think. And the beauty is, it only takes one 8-pin, okay? 3070s, all of them take two 8-pins. So it's better. Doesn't require so many connectors. And there's the back. It's got the back plate, covers the PCB, which I like. Look, it's pretty much brand new. The guy saw the prices are like ridiculous, right? I mean, he almost made double the amount he bought it for. I mean, if I were him, if I wasn't a miner, I would sell my GPUs right now, because it's like probably the highest price ever. And even though it's used, people like me who is a miner would buy it, because I want to get higher hash rate per second as much as I can. If you saw my previous video, my goal is to reach 1 gigahash a month. No, not a month, sorry. Like 1 gigahash per second. That's my goal. Right now I'm doing 750, 70 mega hash. With this, I'll go over 800. And I still got one more GTX 1660 Super. So these two GPUs combined, this one I still haven't plugged it into my rig yet. And I'll make another video about that, because today I just bought another used tower. Very cheap. Only like $250 USD. A used tower, which I'm going to use as a crypto mining tower. Might as well. It's so cheap. And it's already got a motherboard, it's got a CPU, it's got everything. I can just plug in these two GPUs and start mining. I don't have to mess with it. Although it is not like a proper mining rig where you can have like 6, 8 GPUs, 12 GPUs, but whatever, man. I don't care. I just want to start mining. Yeah, and I don't want to wait for another one of those server cases. I have to wait like a month if I order a server case from China right now, from Taobao. So I'm like, yo, you know what? Might as well just buy a used PC. I'll show you guys right now. It's right here. It's on the ground right now. This thing right here. This thing right here. Oh, it's like a i5. See, look, it's not bad. It's used, but it's like basically brand new. It's got like another GPU in there, like one of the older ones. I can probably sell that for a few $100 Hong Kong dollars. I mean, not bad, right? It's got 550 watt power supply. I can fit 2 GPUs in there, no problem. One 3060 Ti, and then another 1660 Super. Then I'm good to go. I'm just afraid. Hold on. I'm just afraid the GPU might be too big. Oh my god, it's too big. Shit, I might have to. Yeah, it's probably too big. I'll probably have to put this GPU into my rig over there. Yeah, this GPU is way too big to fit in this tower, as you guys can see. Look, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, after recording this video, I'm gonna try to fit it in. But yeah, like I can't do it like that. See, that's my other gaming rig. Cause this tower right now, you guys, it's a lot bigger. Yeah, man. Look. Yeah, alright, so thanks for watching this video, another unboxing video. Hope I can figure out where I'm gonna put that 3060 Ti. I'll figure it out. Probably have to put it in my rig or something, I don't know. And don't forget to subscribe. Help me reach 1,000 subs so I can start monetizing this channel as well. Apart from my first channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Use my affiliate links below. Binance, if you want to start trading crypto. If you need a crypto wallet, use my Coinbase affiliate link. If you want to start mining, use the Kudo Miner referral link. Alright? And most important of all, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And keep mining.